Assalamu alaikum everyone. You know that speaking test is a very good way to improve speaking skills. I'm going to conduct another outdoor speaking test and I'm going to conduct a speaking test of a student of 28 batch, right? He is a residential student. What's your name?
My full name is Hassan Habib Joel. You can call me only Joel. This is my.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tangail, which is the most beautiful city for Swedes.
You're from Tangail. What's your hometown especially famous for?
For special famous for Swedes and also famous for freedom fighter. Maulana Abdul Hamid Khan Bashani, you know, maybe.
Yes. Is Tangail in Dhaka division?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a favorite color?
So I have two favorite colors also, white and black, both are. So I prefer all the time black color, and I wear all the time black color. It's suit for me all the time. That's why.
And what's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby, cricket or football all the time.
Which game is more popular in your country?
I think cricket is more popular in my
Than
country.
football, okay? Did you used to play cricket in your childhood?
Yeah, sure, sir. All the time I used to play cricket, and right now I don't have enough time. That is why I don't play cricket.
If you get a chance to become a cricketer of Bangladesh national team, so will you grab that opportunity?
Yeah, sure, sir. I will get.
Well, who is your favorite cricketer of Bangladesh?
My favorite cricketer Shakib Al Hasan all the time. When I was my childhood, from that time, I like Shakib Al Hasan.
And who is your favorite bowler?
My favorite bowler right now, Mustafizur Rahman.
Who is your favorite footballer?
My favorite footballer Messi all the time. He is my inspiration.
And who is your favorite Bangladeshi footballer?
Hamza Chaudhary, sir, is new footballer.
Okay. Do you watch football regularly?
No, sir. I watch football maybe once or twice a month.
Do you like watching television?
Yeah, sir. I like watching television a lot. Most of the time I watch TV. When I get a free time, that time I watch
What's your favorite TV program?
Kabil Sharma show.
Did you used to watch cartoons in your childhood?
No, sir. I didn't used to.
What did you used to watch actually?
Actually, I did watch all the time movie and Friday.
What do you usually do when you get angry?
I read book.
You read books.
I read book and I like it so much. When I read the book, that time I learn a lot of things from.
That's fantastic. Well, what types of people do you like?
I like all people.
And what types of girls do you like?
Those girls are not easily angry.
What's your plan about marriage?
Actually, I have a lot of plan about my marriage. So when I get a IELTS, I'll go to abroad for my higher study. At that time, I will a lot of money and I'll get married.
And what's your relationship status?
I'll be single, sir.
Did you have any girlfriend in the past?
Yeah, I had a girlfriend, sir.
Well, okay. How do you stay fit and healthy every day?
I get up early in the morning. I take shower, go to outside for work, and most of the time I go to a park with my friend for get some freshness, and I run maybe around 2 or 3 kilometers, and then I go back to my room and I take water 2 or 3 liters, and also I take all time maybe good foods.
Do you think it's important to take exercise regularly?
Yeah, it is very important.
And do the people of your country take exercise regularly?
I think no.
No.
Most of the people don't take exercise regularly.
Okay, what's your opinion about traffic jam?
Oh, sir, I don't like traffic jam. Basically, Dhaka city is very loudy and cloudy all the time. Traffic jam. So, in my country, it is very difficult to survive our life, and it is very difficult.
Thank you very much. This is the end of your speaking practice test. Wishing you all the very best.